wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy. What's the matter?
Jackass is riding my tail.
Slow down, let him pass. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you. Clark! Don't provoke them.
Hey kids, look at deer.
Clark! Slow down!
Do you want to ride behind someone who does something like that? We're gonna pull around him and leave him safely behind us. Burn some dust here. Eat my rubber.
Dad, what I think you mean is burn rubber and eat my dust.
Whatever, Russ, whatever. Eat my road, Crib Liver Lips! Okay, that's enough of that. Speaking of Christmas trees, kids, can one of you tell me what the first kind of tree displayed at the White House was?
Dad,
Hey?
they're back.
Clark, stop it! I don't want to spend the holidays dead.
Honey, please, I'll do the driving, okay? You just take it easy, Alan. I'm in complete control. Get around this egg timer.
Dad? Dad?
We're all right. Thank God we're all right.
Clark, we're stuck under a truck!
Do you honestly think I don't know that?
Come on, you guys, don't fight.
Ah, for Christ's sake, I didn't do this on purpose.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. And forgive my husband. He knows not what he does.
Amen.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Made pretty good time.